I'm back, and
Oh, did you start?
yeah, my friend is here, and she's nice, and yeah, shout out to this girl. She gave me an autograph.
Oh, that's
So nice. So
you're great.
I'm doing this video saying the MSP is like they've been cheating us really. They're trying
Can
to
I
get
just
us.
say you should be doing this video? MSP might look you out for saying they're cheating.
Wow.
I had to say it. I'm sorry.
MSP won't watch us.
I did the watch. Everyone's the stock effort.
Oh my god, you're getting locked out now.
Oh my god.
So
Oh my god. Triggered.
Han, my forfeit, she is
No, next to her.
next to me. And we're doing this video.
Oh, how's that beautiful level 26//home/girl?
Yeah.
Oh,
Yeah.
that's just so beautiful.
Okay,
She's
so look at this, right? So you can get this hair just like without the hat, and then you can add the hat to it, and it will be the same thing, and you don't have to buy VIP or anything. And then there's this hair as well that you can
Lisa
get.
likes eating cherries.
And you can get it, right, and you just see if you add this on this little hat.
We can
Yeah,
see it.
yeah. You want to
We
know
can
what
see
this?
the hat.
You want to know
We can
that?
see it all.
You want to know what this does? This does the exact same thing as the one over
We
here.
can see it. We're watching it
See,
right
look.
now. We're
So-
stalking. Oh my god, I keep saying that.
So there's this one, but then there's one without like the hat and all that.
It's watching you. You're just like.
Oh my god! Right, so I'm sitting on my bed and there's like a pillow and everything, and that has
And this
eyeballs,
is-
and then things that have eyes on it, and Beth is going, just Lucy, it's watching you.
No, I'm not. You're such a liar. That was AJ who did that.
And that,
No, that was Keith who did that. Don't.
and then I'm gonna show you what else we're scamming with. So they wanted us to like buy the dime packs, and you have to pay money
I like
to
Keith more
just
than
to get the
Lucy.
dime pack clothes.
I like Keith more than Lucy.
And then
Keith
there's
is my
these at the shop.
Keith is not a Barbie doll. Alright.
Yeah,
Don't say it.
he's not a McDonald's
Oh my god,
toy. He's not a teddy.
Lucy, you need to start
Keith is-
again if we said each other's name. You guys, see the guys and girls' names we said. That was our owl talking to our dog.
What?
We have an owl now.
I'm shit.
It was an imaginary one. I love the word it said before. Can't say again. It can't say again. I've missed this video so bad.
Yeah, you have. How did you know?
It's a good video though.
Just because you're in it.
The best videos are when I'm in it. Shall I spit? Let's go see my name. I can't
How you've been sitting saying
now.
each other's names for the whole
And
entire
I was going to say my second name.
Alright.
Pause it.
What was that?
It was me turning 0.
Okay, I just wanted to say this video about like
I'm sorry if you
MSPs.
messed this video up.
Cheating.
The other video got messed up because someone.
Bye.